100 years ago, a journey began that would change the world of baking. Founded in 1926, Fritsch evolved into a company that redefined dough processing with passion, precision, and a relentless spirit of innovation. But every success story needs new chapters. In 2019, Fritsch became part of the Multivac Group, a step that opened the door to stability, global strength, and new opportunities. Our shared ambition? To develop technologies that adapt to the dough, not the other way around. This is how solutions are created that are valued worldwide and set new standards. And the story continues. With vision, determination, and a bold goal, a new, modern Fritsch headquarters. Fritsch, 100 years of tradition and passion.